You last saw us in France. We were heading to bed for an early night before I had a job interview the next day. We then went to Disneyland for Christmas Day. A belated Happy Christmas to you all. That vlog went up out of order, so there's a few vlogs back if you want to watch it. Now that's enough of an intro. Let's get into today's day of chores and an update on our job hunting. Morning everyone! Today is going to be a bit of a boring vlog, but I don't know, people seem to like boring vlogs sometimes. I know I like boring vlogs, so we're just hanging out.
Don't downplay it, just before we start. It's going to be really exciting, good, and it's going to be
No, it's just going to be like a day in the life in the van kind of vlog, not like, we're not exploring some really cool city or anything. So we've got up, been for a walk, and now we're just in the van. You've probably seen in one of our previous videos, we're heading back to the UK to work. Good news, I got a job. I'm so excited. It's a remote job, so it means I can keep doing it like for a long time while we travel. But we're still heading back to the UK, so Myron can get an in-office job for the next 3 to 6 months probably. So today is more job applications for Myron and doing a few little things we need to do around the van, and I think later we might go to the supermarket and show you that. So today Myron is changing the water filters, everything from under the sink. We were just on Instagram and we saw We Who Roam, a van life couple in Australia, change their water filters, and it reminded us we really need to do that. So Myron is gonna do that.
We bought a few extra filters when we first got the system.
Yeah, do we have many left?
We got 4 left.
Oh cool.
So this changed.
2 of each? Okay.
Yeah. That's good.
So Myron's gonna show you changing the water filters.
Yeah. So we've turned the water off and I've opened the valve to try and let all the water out of the system, and then underneath the sink, so my pride and joys when I was building the van, is our 2 filtration units with the accumulator pump, a filter pump, and then a filter. And so we're going to unscrew both these filters. A lot of water is going to come out of them, so I have a bucket ready to go to try and catch most of the water, and yeah, hopefully I won't get too wet.
I think you're supposed to change them like every 6 months, and we've been in the van like 8 months, so
yeah, we're a bit overdue.
Gross.
So these 2 are the old filters and these 2 are the new filters. This one's looking very dirty. This one's looking kind of clean, so I might check and make sure which one is supposed to go first. Double check that.
Which one was in first?
I'll have to check the video actually. I forgot what one was in first. So I'm going to clean these out with paper towels and then figure out which filter's meant to be, or double check which filter's meant to be at the start, and then put it back together. And I'll just pop the new filters into the housings. So I checked and it was right. The white filter is the first filter that needs to go in the series.
It's the sediment filter.
And it's the sediment filter which takes out the larger items, before the charcoal filter takes out any funny tastes and smells, makes it more drinkable. And they just rotate on. Tighten them up most of the way by hand. Do the other one. And then use this little funny wrench thingy to just give them a little tighten up more. Doesn't have to be too tight. And that's the water filters done. I just got to hook up the waste again, and that's all done. What I'm going to do now is just wipe off any water that's spilt onto the pump before turning the pump back on. Now just to put everything back into place. So our kitchen unit here is actually just from IKEA, and it's really easy to take the doors and stuff off. To take the doors off, all you got to do, a little tab at the back, you just pop that, oh, and then it comes off. And then to put it back on, you just push the front of it in into a little latch bit there, and then push the back, and then it pops in. It's nice, makes it a lot easier to get in, especially when there's not much room from here to here.
We're just packing up so we can go to the supermarket, and then we're going to come back here. We've been parked here for a couple of days because there's free power.
It's pretty awesome because it's very grey days.
Yeah, we're not getting much solar, and we're not
only up for very many hours, so.
And because we're doing lots of computer work at the moment, like with our videos and with applying for jobs, we're not really driving. So it's been good to have somewhere with free power, especially because in France lots of places have power, but it's like very expensive. It's like €2 or €3 for an hour, which, like, I don't really know what you do in an hour.
Yeah, how you can make that.
Yeah, have you shut the fan? I forgot to do it.
Yep, done that.
Cool, let's get going. And let's hope no one else is taking the power when we get back. Come to the supermarket. We really need some food, and tomorrow's Sunday, so everything's closed, and the next day's New Year's Eve, and it looks like things are closed, and then New Year's Day, everything's definitely closed.
We've got 3 days of food we got to get.
Yeah. Got our groceries, and we're on our way back, and let's hope the power box is still there.
Fingers crossed.
Because there's 2 power points, but one's not working. And we were plugged into one, and another van arrived and they had a splitter, so we unplugged ours and we're both plugged into the splitter. But yeah, fingers crossed no one else has taken the other half of that splitter. Job application time.
Yeah.
How's it going?
It's going good. I got 3 jobs to apply for.
At this point, we're feeling very stressed out. Our money was running out fast, Myron hadn't heard back from any jobs, and I'd only secured part-time work. Let's just say there were lots of tears and lots of calls home to get advice from our mums. Although more job hunting was needed, we desperately needed a break from the van. So in the next video, we head somewhere really special that's always been on our bucket list. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.